Envision, a reliability software that offers your program accountability, integration, and communication. Facilities have information coming from multiple sources that result in scattered emails, random spreadsheets, communication failures. Critical assets and components could be at risk. Plants today are experiencing components that frequently fail. Lack of communication in reported findings leads to dropped balls and potential downtime. TANGO provides reporting of multiple technologies into one integrated dashboard. TANGO compiles failure information and inspection history. TANGO empowers your reliability team and can be tailored to meet your company's specific needs. TANGO communicates condition problems and status to designated personnel, eliminating paper trails. TANGO's secured web-based program can be accessed remotely for flexible use. TANGO is accountability, integration, communication. See how TANGO can integrate your reliability program. Access a sample TANGO database. Check out the capabilities.